All right, Seasons in the Sun baseball box number 4. First letter, first name. Oh, that's alright, I like it. I was giving it to you last night. We got a Big Hurts, Big Hurt and Dwight's. Ooh, a double auto. Look at that, Frank. Ooh, Dwight Gooden 2/7. It's the pink. The D spot, McKenzie. A Big Hurt, Frank Thomas 17/20. It's the game used patch pinstripe auto. It's for the F spot, Allen. Side first. 25/35. Nolan Ryan. It's the dual game used with a baseball lore. It's for the end spot, Sam. Card game used to patch. Time for the ages. 2/5. Ooh. 8 piece. Pete Rose, Mike Schmidt, Steve Carlton, Kurt Schilling, Bob Boone, Scott Rowland, Dave Hollins, and Daryl Doughton. Well, 2/5. 8 piece game used. That's Cincy. Cincy, Phillies, Cardinals, maybe? Ooh, we got a rando. Potentially. Right, and Sam, the end spots. Sam, Dwight was McKenzie. It's all Phils? I don't remember Pete Rose ever playing for the Phillies. Who was that? McKenzie at these spots. Big Hurts, Allen. So I need 5 out of the 8 to take it down. No rando. We got P spot, Cello. M is Sam. S Sam. C Jose. B McKenzie. S Sam. D McKenzie. And there's another D McKenzie. So 3. Yep, got rando. Alright, make sure I put it up on the screen this time. A little bit before my time. Just a little bit. Alright, we go left, top, bottom. PR, Pete Rose, MS, Mike Schmidt. SC, Steve Carlton. CS, Kurt Schilling. BB, Bob Boone. SR, Scott Rowland. DH, Dave. And DD. Alright, 5 at times. Top name taking it down. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. DH taking it down. McKenzie on the Holland spots. Well, AP's game used. How you say, Mac? Guys, well, Seasons box number 4.